Hi team, happy September. Welcome to September newsletter for The Mortgage You Know. Some quick updates, just a friendly reminder to complete those compliance trainings, please, please, please. Those have been sent out to you via email and they are due by September 30th. Every Monday, Jonas McWilliams, support specialist, will be sending out an email just to give you guys an idea of who's completed, who is still on the naughty list. So if you could please complete those by September 30th. There are 6 of them, and if for some reason you can't find the email, please send me a quick message in Teams and we'll make sure that you get those so you can complete them. On lender updates, just wanted to put out this reminder. I've gotten a few messages from people on the Borrower Smart program that's offered at Quicken and UWM. Those are the only 2 lenders that have it right now. It is a Freddie, so LP, you have to run LP only, and there is income requirements to qualify. So to have your borrower qualify for the Borrower Smart, which is similar to Home Possible, the only difference is that you would have to have the borrower do a $99 course that they would pay up front. And that course is done over the phone, and they will need a copy of their loan estimate. So they pay that fee up front, and then they are eligible for up to $1,250 in down payment assistance, and potentially to $2,500 in assistance if they are below 50% the median income. So if they qualify for Home Possible, even if they qualify for Home Ready, you should run it LP, see if they can get that extra money because it's going to help them out. They could buy a new fridge, buy a new couch. They'll be a happy borrower if we can get them qualified for that. If you need my help with that, please let me know. Happy to help you run that through. Now, I do want to talk a little bit about some changes this month. Of course, you guys all know Loan Depot is no longer a wholesale lender, so they were our number 2. So Home Point's moved into that number 2 spot, and we are kind of gauging where our number 3 spot it will be, whether that be Orion Lending, or could be REMN, it could be Caliber. Really need your guys' feedback on how your experience has been with those lenders. The reason why we do need that number 3 would be for our less than 600 FICO scores. So right now, Orion and Caliber are offering products down below 600, and Home Point 600, and UWM and Quicken are not going down that far. So let me know how your experience has been with them, and that way we can really train to who we would like our number 3 to be. All right, so on to the monthly Kahoot challenge. I just want to say big congrats to Julie Light in Florida. She won last month's Kahoot challenge, and that was on the loan submission and the loan process. So great job, Julie. Really excited for you. Please reach out to me and we'll get you some free lunch on the way via DoorDash. So this month Kahoots challenge, guys, is going to be on tolerance cures. We have seen an influx in tolerance cures, meaning a cost that the company has to eat because we didn't disclose properly. Be on the lookout for some trainings as well coming from myself. Additional trainings. I know we've done some in the past, but just so that we can stay on top of those changes to the LE example, appraisal fee not disclosed high enough. If we don't do that, we have to eat the cost. There's transfer taxes and you forget to put them on your original loan estimate. At the end, we got to eat the cost. So we want to avoid that so that the company can continue to thrive and keep those in front of you. So that's what the Kahoot challenge is. If you want to participate, I encourage you all to do so. Whoever gets the fastest time with the most correct answers does win that free lunch. So lastly, please be sure to check all the links in the new trainings available to you this month from my team and our affiliates. The most recent training material that we have added to the library would be a really cool video on how to run Home Ready and Home Possible in Calyx, so that way you can be sure your borrower qualifies. We also have a new video on how to complete the REO section in Calyx. We also have DocuSign in Lodasoft, and also how to do the electronic version of the LODA summary in Lodasoft, which to me, has been way easier than having to copy and paste the one that we had in a Google Sheet. So check those out. They are in the links below. And I want to give a big shout out to Jason Perino. Thank you so much last month for creating all of the training videos that you guys will see. Lastly, be sure to submit your brilliant idea if you have one in the link below in the email. You'll see it, as well as any recommendations for future trainings. We are all trying to grow, and we want to get any insight from you guys and how to make our company as best as we possibly can. So if you have a brilliant idea and it's implemented, you will be rewarded with your own very own brilliant idea coin. Thanks so much for watching, and that is your September The Mortgage You Know update.